I'm Natalie Bogwalker, and I'm the founder of Wild Abundance. And I'm here to share about planning your trip and also give you some tours and some insights about what it's like to be at one of our campuses. This is our outdoor classroom, and this is where you'll be spending all the time there's any lectures, and then also some of the hands-on time happens here. And it's just such a beautiful building. There's several different workshop spaces that we utilize during classes. And it's just a really lovely thing to be outdoors, but also to be covered from the sun and the rain. So there's outdoor camping that's available for free if you bring your own tent. There's also an outdoor shower that is really nice and comfortable and private at each of the campuses. There is a permitted outhouse on campus as well. This is one of our outdoor kitchens. And so this one happens to be at Sanford Way, but all of our outdoor kitchens are equipped with pots and pans and bowls and plates and everything you need to be able to prepare yourself meals. And there's also gathering places, and people really tend to gather around food. So whether you're eating out or whether you're bringing food here or whatever you're doing, it's definitely a great place to socialize and get to know your other students. In the evenings, students often like to sit around the fire and tell stories and play music and just hang out and talk. You have a lot of different options as far as accommodations. Some students choose to, on their own or with other students collaborating, get a hotel or a local Airbnb. Some students choose to camp for free by bringing their own bedding and their own tent and all that. This year, we have some new on-campus accommodations. Aside from our camping, we also have for rent 4 private cottages, each equipped with a queen-size bed and a sweet skylight view of the forest canopy. We also have a 6-bunk dormitory in the loft of our beautiful timber frame pavilion. Another option is these canvas tents, and we have a very comfortable cot and cozy, nice bedding that we're setting up for you. These new options will book up quickly, so be sure to register for your class early if you're interested in staying in any of our new on-campus accommodations. If you live locally, then you'll probably just be commuting to class. And if you live regionally, you might be driving yourself here. But if you're coming from further afield, you might need to rent a car, or you can get a shuttle. And in our welcome letter, where we have all this wonderful information, you can find out a person who can shuttle you from the airport and give you a stop at a grocery store so that you can bring your food here, which has been something that students have really wanted. And wherever you stay, whether you're staying off-site at an Airbnb or a hotel, or you're camping on site in your own tent or in a tent that we set up for you, I hope that your stay is really lovely. And I thank you for coming along with me on this tour. And we look forward to meeting you whenever you arrive.